What if you could run frontier AI models on a laptop that costs less than $1,000? You'd be surprised, right? No API costs, no subscriptions, all locally. Google just released Gemma 4, and thanks to how well they compressed the model, you can now run it on a MacBook Air with only 16 gigs of RAM. For only $1,000 you can run a pretty good model locally, all for free thanks to Google. And by the end of this video I will also show you how to connect Claude Code with your locally Gemma 4, so you can run Claude Code absolutely for free. Let me show you how it works. So before we get started, what is Gemma 4 and why does it matter? Only just a year ago, running local AI models meant spending thousands of dollars on hardware equipment, graphic cards and a lot of technical knowledge. Google just basically solved that problem by compressing the model so well and so effectively that you essentially can run almost a frontier model on this MacBook Air. If you want to do this at home, find out how much VRAM you have, and if you have an Apple computer with an M chip, the RAM and VRAM is the same thing. And now I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. The first thing you need is to install Ollama, which is basically a program that lets you run local AI models on your computer for absolutely free. So just go to this website and download Ollama for whichever operating system you're on. So I'm on macOS, so I'm going to download that. Okay, so after you've downloaded Ollama, just close this, and then we'll open the terminal by pressing this spotlight button and then searching for the terminal and then press enter. Then go to this website and find a model that is suited for your RAM. So step number 2 here in the terminal is to paste this command, and this will download this Gemma 4 model that we selected. So just press enter and then it will start to download, and then once this download is complete we can run the model. Okay, so now we have downloaded Gemma 4. All we need is to paste this command in order to run it. So type that and then wait for Ollama to start with Gemma 4. And now I can ask it questions like what is 2 plus 2? Enter. And that's 4, of course. I can ask it what is 2 times 2 plus 5? That should be 9, right? It's thinking, it's analyzing the request. Now let's see, done thinking, the answer is 9, so it's working. This is your own local AI that you can run for completely free. So you can run it in the terminal or you can run it in the Ollama app, which is a much better interface. So just select the model that you downloaded and then we can type the same thing. What is 2 times 2 plus 5? And then it should give us the answer. And here you can see it looks like if you're using ChatGPT, you're using Claude or anything like that, we get the answer 9. It thought for 4.2 seconds, so it's pretty fast. Here's the crazy part, you can actually run local models like Gemma 4 and connect it to Claude Code, so you have free Claude Code where you can code as much as you want to without getting into any restrictions. If you do not have Claude Code installed yet, I have a full tutorial in the description below. Okay, so once you have Claude Code installed, all you need to do is paste this command and then pressing enter, and then we'll launch Claude Code. So Claude Code is now running with the Gemma 4 model, and you can see Gemma 4 E4B, and all the things we type now will be completely free. So you can just ask Claude questions and give it instructions like you use it normally. But I want to be transparent with you because Gemma 4 is not as good as Opus or Sonnet 4.6 at coding. It can do simpler tasks, but like managing a whole project or developing a whole new iPhone app, I recommend you to use Sonnet or Opus. But if you want to do some simpler coding tasks or just get used to using Claude Code, this is perfect. So this is how you run Gemma 4 locally on your MacBook Air in under 5 minutes. If you want to see how to set up Gemma 4 with Claude Code so that it works reliable when working on projects, my next video will be on that. So subscribe and leave a like if this video was helpful.